Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can show or hide a widget inside Flutter. For that purpose I have just created this project and I'm going to create the home screen. And inside the home screen I'm gonna create a scaffold widget which has a app bar. And inside the body widget I'm gonna create a center widget which has a column as a child. And for column I am going to set the main axis alignment to the center, which will center all the elements of the widget. Now inside the column I am going to create a container widget and set the color property to the green. Let's check the preview. A green container is visible. We will change the visibility of this container. For that purpose, I am going to create a button, which is a raised button. Inside the onPress property, I am gonna change the visibility of the container. For that purpose, I am going to make this widget a stateful widget and create a isVisible boolean and make its value true. For changing the visibility of container, we will wrap the container widget inside a visibility widget. Visibility widget is the widget which we use to change the visibility of the container. We will hide the container and show the container by using the visible widget. Let's change the visibility of container. We will set the isVisible property inside the onPressed property of the raised button and set the state. By adding the sign of exclamation, we are inversing the visible property. Let's see the preview. We have the show or hide button in below the container. I am gonna press the show or hide button. As you can see, when I press the show or hide button, the widget is gonna remove. Now let's configure the visibility property in a way so when we click on the button, the size will remain same and the widget will disappear. For that purpose, what we will do, we will go to the visibility widget and we will check there is another property which is maintain size, and by setting this property to true, we will maintain the size of the widget. Let's see what will happen if we build this widget. I'm gonna save project and there is an exception. As you can see, cannot maintain the size if animations are not maintained. So if we wanted to maintain the size of the widget, we have to maintain the animations. For that purpose, on the visibility property, we have to change the maintain animation to true. Let's clear this out and save the project once again. And the exception persists. Now this time the exception tells us that we have to maintain the state of the widget. So for that purpose, here below the maintain animation, I am going to maintain state and set it to true. Now the error is removed and we are going to see when I press the show or hide button, the widget will remove and the space and size will remain the same, and when I click again, the widget will appear and disappear. As you can see, we can totally disappear the widget or we can maintain the size and also disappear the widget by using this visibility property. So guys, as we learned, by adding the visibility widget, we can change the visibility of any widget. Hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.